Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll use built-in accessibility and shortcuts, so enable them first. This avoids installing untrusted apps. Open Settings, go to Accessibility then Touch and enable Assistive Touch. Once done, add a custom action or single tap entry to launch a shortcut. Next, open the Shortcuts app and create a new shortcut that repeats a tap pattern. This is safer than jailbreak methods and keeps your device secure. Make sure screen recording is available to test interactions. Create a shortcut that uses a repeat block with a wait interval to paste taps, because too fast can be unreliable. Record a custom gesture in Assistive Touch matching the tap location and duration, then invoke that gesture from the shortcut using Assistive Touch scripting or by opening the Assistive Touch menu with automation. Once your loop calls the gesture, test with low counts and increase gradually to confirm timing. Make sure taps align with the app UI. Finalize by creating an automation that fires your shortcut on a trigger like screen unlock or app open, so it runs without manual taps. Use conservative wait times to preserve battery and avoid rate limits in apps. This helps maintain stability. If the gesture misses or the loop stops, re-record the custom gesture with slightly longer presses or add 0, 2, 0, 5-second waits. One key troubleshooting tip: if it fails, toggle Assistive Touch off and on, then rerun the shortcut to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.